Hello everyone. I'm yours truly, the good old Uncle Microsoft Sam, and today I might be making plans on doing a boating trip in that kick-ass speedboat I have yet to take it out at sea. All I know is that this boat can steam through water in around 300 miles per hour, or over 260.5 knots in nautical terms. It will be an exhilarating experience for me. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be all by myself, since no one ever wanted to go on boat rides with me, so it won't be as fun as with other people. But still fun nonetheless. Wait a minute, before I head out at sea, let me talk about wanted levels while there. Remember how I had to go through waves upon waves of police cars and helicopters which slowly get replaced with tanks, Apaches and T-Rex walkers? Well, out at sea, it's going to be a similar story, but things will be fundamentally different. Instead of land-based vehicles, you'll get, well obviously, boats that will come after you. The police and SWAT will still be there, albeit with their speedboats and motor dinghies respectively. However, as we reach 4 wanted stars, the U.S. Coast Guard will come in to assist the maritime police and SWAT boats initially in their defender boats. 5 wanted stars will have the Coast Guard take over the pursuit entirely, and marine protector boats will arrive as heavy support for the defenders. And oh boy, the Navy will take over the chase from there on at 6 wanted stars, with their Mark 6s, Cyclone boats and Independence corvettes coming after me and doing anything to sink me, while Arleigh Burke destroyers and Ticonderoga cruisers will come in and put the entire Pacific Northwest under lockdown so I can't escape, thanks in no small part due to their naval guns and missile systems that will destroy me in an instant. Wasp assault ships and Nimitz aircraft carriers will also be present at 6 wanted stars, keeping their distance from the combat zone, while they send their own Marine Corps AH-1C Vipers and Navy F-A-18 Super Hornet squadrons, dubbed the Black Knights, fulfilling a role similar to Apache helicopters and F-22 Raptors. I'm not too sure if subs will be involved in wanted levels, but I highly doubt they'll come after me in shallower waters. And remember, when we were introduced to General Stoney and Colonel Brannigan? Well, out at sea, we have Vice Admiral Rickenbacker in charge of his own carrier strike group known as CSG-20, and his flagship is his Nimitz aircraft carrier, which is dubbed, unfortunately, the USS Donald J. Trump. No cookies earned. Why? Rickenbacker's second-in-command, Captain Samson, is a special case. He is the commander of his own destroyer squadron, where he's part of Rickenbacker's fleet, taking command of his own destroyer, the USS Nathan James. However, at times, he will be transferred to his own Wasp assault ship, the USS Stinger, the second naval vessel to bear that name after a World War I-era patrol boat, whenever I evade the Apaches out at sea. Okay, I think I talked too long about wanted levels and introducing new characters, so without further ado, let's find a beach and take my boat for a test run. Yabba dabba swah. Okay, I'm now at the beach, and oh boy, look at that view. I'd say it's the perfect time to go try my boat out. Keep in mind, I'm all by myself, so all things regarding launching the boat out at sea will be all by me. Why do I keep on rhyming like this? Now, to ensure my boat doesn't float away when I release it. Okay, has my boat gone anywhere yet? Still here. Now, to figure out how to get on it. Seems a little tricky than I thought it was, but no matter. Now, to start the engine. Oh boy, runs like a dream. I have to back it up first, before I could get this thing to speed. Now, are there other boaters out there? Don't see any. Now it's time to go to full throttle to see what my boat is truly capable of. This is the kind of fun I'm getting. No more will I have to worry about annoying people. Yay. Holy shit.
God damn it, Sam! You almost wrecked my boat going at dangerously high speeds like that! That does it. I'm putting you under arrest for reckless boating and maritime endangerment.
What in absolute hell? All I'm doing is enjoy myself out in the water, and now you're gonna arrest me for bumping into you. Don't ever make me use this.
Sam, put that gun down or I swear to God I will use it.
Now think twice before you do any stupid shit on me. Oh crap, here we go again.
Stop where you are. Step out of the boat with your hands up immediately. He's getting away. Dispatch, we have a familiar red. I repeat, offender still at large and now heading westbound on the Columbia River towards the ocean. Request back up immediately.
Well, that's just great. Now I got myself wanted level, just as I was enjoying my boat ride. Can this day get any worse?
All units, we have a TAN 81 in progress at the Columbia River. Suspect is last seen in the red speedboat.
Dispatch, this is Chickadee 42. Suspect has been located. In pursuit now.
God freaking damn it, won't those cops leave me alone?
Here are these guys. Chicken.
Stop it already!
Permission to use lethal force on suspect.
Lethal force is now authorized. Shoot on site when necessary.
10-4 dispatch. Engaging now.
Trying to one-shot me. Well, how about no? And you should know to police boat.
Squad personnel are converging on suspect's location heading westbound along the Columbia River towards the ocean. The Coast Guard have also been notified of this extreme emergency. All units must proceed with extreme caution.
Not even friggin' surprised here.
Suspect sighted. Do not let them escape out at sea.
Already. Now leave me the hell alone. Oh, just great. That's I'm gonna have to ditch my boat before it's gonna blow up on me.
Station post. Suspect has fallen into the river and is attempting to flee. He must not go underwater. This is USCGC Blue Shark reporting to Station Cape Disappointment. Suspect's location has been pinpointed in the river between Cowlitz and Columbia counties. Have your other units intercept him. We are now sending deployable specialized forces onto suspect.
HQ, this is Sniper 21 Whiskey Golf, unable to get a visual on the suspect.
Coast Guard units are doing their best they can to triangulate suspect's current position. Please stand by.
Where the hell is the suspect? There's no sign of him. Suspect sighted. He's about to board.
Mind if I take your boat? It's nothing personal. Maybe my money dog will shut them up.
Tango Primary's current location. All civilian mode travel possible.
This dispatch system is now under military command.
Not even fucking surprised that the Navy will come over and put everything here under lockdown. The usual bullshit I'm so used to dealing with.
Command, we got eyes on target Tango Primary. Engaging them.
They never know when to give up. Bullshit. Just what in the absolute hell did that missile come from?
All stations, prepare to open fire. Missiles fired. Tracking sensor and visual range of Tango Primary.
Where is my Rotten Copter support when you need me?
We have eyes on the enemy. Box 2.
Change my plans. Escape is no longer viable for me.
Tango Primary is now on the run. Inform the USS Stinger.
Okay, and remember to report back to me when our expeditionary force is at maximum combat readiness.
USS Stinger, this is the Fleet Commander of Coastal Defense Squadron 4 requesting additional air support over the Columbia River. USS Stinger respond.
This is the USS Stinger reporting.
A domestic terrorist situation has broken out in the river between Cowlitz and Columbia counties. We have identified that terrorist as Microsoft Sam.
Really?
Please send close air support at Tango Primary's current location ASAP.
All flight deck crews, prepare the Viper choppers. We have a situation over the Pacific Northwest. Helmsman, turn us around eastward. And have all missile destroyers and cruisers set up the blockade at the mouth of the river to contain the terrorist disturbance. All hands on deck, people.
Let's see if I could find a place to dock in Willow Grove without having any more ships trying to find and destroy me. This is getting pretty docky.
Fleet Command, this is USS Triangle. No longer getting a visual on Tango Primary. Where is our air support?
USS Stinger is on its way with its Marine Light Attack Helicopter Squadron on high alert. Please stand by and wait further orders.
Helicopter squadrons deploy.
What in the absolute hell are you doing? I accidentally hit the police boat sitting there in the middle of the river, and now I ended up on General Stone's wanted list again. I mean, what's next? The Navy SEALs? Please reevaluate what you're fucking doing right now.
Command, this is Viper 1. Target Tango Primary has been sighted. Engaging now. Command, Viper 5 is down. Taking evasive action. Command, we picked up one bogey on the ground. No shot.
Wait, a monster of the week. Now it's time to get serious. show you that size doesn't always matter. The bigger they are, the harder they fall. So far this boat ride I've been to is an absolute bust. I noticed something extremely familiar. Well, Sam, that's a nice whip. Oh, you have got to be Well, that definitely sucked Gary balls. Abso-fucking-loot Grand Theft Auto bullshittery.
Microsoft Sam, what have I told you about going on wanted-level rampages like that? You know, that you shouldn't go on a murder spree when things are about to go south on you. Plus, I saw you even stealing a Coast Guard boat just to get away from that wanted level you had.
Bruh, me smashing my speedboat at a police vessel is just only an accident. All I wanted to do for weeks is go on a boat ride, but no one ever wanted to join me on that trip, so I had to be in my lonesome instead.
Well, what difference does it make? You know what, if this wanted level rampage spree keeps up on your track record, then I will have no other choice but to administer you Prozac just—
Shush, don't ever fucking remind me of that Terminator 2 bullshit. I don't wanna hear it.
I am not even finished, you psychotic asshole.
Give me a moment, Rafflebot. We have brought along 2 new items for you. They are very useful. Bruh, not the good time. I already got freaking wasted by Stone's forces. Rafflebot got real pissy about my antics out at sea, and now I received 2 more weapons during this discussion I'm having with him. Okay. And the only option here is okay. Well, it's not like I'm gonna resist that offer though, but oh well. Well, I definitely expected this plasma rifle to be from the Doom games. High rate of fire, and its plasma bolts can make short work out of any weaklings, even including pinky demons or potentially some police cars coming after me. And that next weapon I got, you ask? Well, here comes one now. You heard right. It's the Tau Cannon. One of Black Mesa's pair of experimental weapons that are not available to the public, alongside the Gluon gun. It's similar to my more conventional railgun. The only difference is that the Tau Cannon is actually more of a particle beam weapon and can be charged up for increased damage, while my regular railgun is actually wadded loss, doesn't charge and has a limited magazine size of 4. Both weapons, however, take in depleted uranium. Let me give this a test.
Wait, Sam, be careful. You don't want to overcharge it.
Well, what's the worst that could happen?
Stop fucking breaking the 4th goddamn wall, Sam. This is starting to become an extremely annoying and ancient-ass joke at this point, you cock-killing psycho.
How about you rush back to your room and be like that 4th wall supporting ladyboy Karen that you are somewhere else, Michelle?
Sam, I'm not even a goddamn ladyboy Karen, and please stop fucking calling me Michelle, you gender-bending asshole.
Okay, enough bullshittedness, and let's get on with the outro. Well, that's all I have time for today. My boat ride did not turn out like I wanted it to be, all because I accidentally smashed my speedboat into that police vessel just standing there out in the river, in which things have gotten so bad that the US Navy, under Captain Samson, had to be called in and tried to sink me to the bottom. And then that stupid-ass major biomechanoid interfered with my wanted level and I stomped that monster's ass. And unsurprisingly, Rafflebot got real pissy about what happened. At least I got 2 new weapons, the plasma rifle and the Tau Cannon. I really hope you enjoyed my failed maritime adventure, and until next time, I'll see you all later. Cheerio.